students, my this video lecture is on that topic which is not present in class 12 syllabus, but this topic is present in engineering as well as medical exam. Name of the topic is logic gates. Before starting this topic, first we should know how many types of signals we consist of. There exist two types of signals. Number one, analog signal, and number two, digital signal. What is analog signal? Such type of signal which consists of intermediate values, or the such type of signal whose magnitude keeps on changing continuously, known as analog signal. The graph related with analog signal may resemble with sine curve, may resemble with cos curve. If signal is having this type of curve, they are called analog signals. In these signals, we can measure intermediate values also. For example, at this time, this is the value of the signal. At this time, it is the value of the signal. At this time, this is the value of the signal. At this time, it is the value of the signal. At this time, it is the value of the signal. Whereas digital signals are those signals which consist of either maximum value at a particular time or minimum value at a particular interval of time. So the graphical representation of digital signal is like this. Up to this time, signal is having value minimum, and from this time to this time, signal is having value maximum. Again, between these two time intervals, signal is having value minimum, and between these two time intervals, signal is having value maximum. Minimum value is represented by 0, known as off state, and maximum value is represented by 1, known as on state. So digital signals are those signals which consist of either maximum value at a particular time or minimum value at a particular time. Minimum value means off state represented by 0. Maximum value means on state represented by 1. Now, if we are having no doubt in these two types of signals, now it's very easy to know what is logic gates. Such type of circuits which works on digital signal and allow either to pass through the signal or to stop the signal, known as logic gates. The signals which follow a definite logic conditions are only allowed to pass by these gates. Once again, what is logic gate? Such type of circuit which either allow the signal to pass through it or stop the signal, known as logic gate. The signals which follow a definite logic conditions are only allowed to pass by these signals. They are designed by using junction diode, by using a transistor, or by using IC. The three important types of logic gates are OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate. These gates or these circuits are discussed under following headings. Number one, what is its Boolean expression? What is its truth table? How we design it using analog circuit? All three gates will be discussed under these following headings. What is its Boolean expression? What is its truth table? What is the analog circuit? Boolean expression is that expression which relates logical conditions of input signal and output signal. Truth table is that table which is able to tell us when these are the inputs, what is the output. And analog circuit means how with the help of bulb and battery or cell we design it. So first of all we are going to discuss what is OR gate. This gate consists of two or more than two inputs and one output. It will have either two inputs or more than two inputs but only one output. If A and B are inputs and Y is output, then the Boolean expression of OR gate is this one. We read it as A or B is equal to Y. This is the Boolean expression of OR gate. Now comes truth table. Since we have two inputs and all the inputs are in digital form, so there are only four possibilities. Both the inputs are off. First input is off, second is on. First is on, second is off, or both are on. When both will be off, off plus off will be off. The output will be off. When A is off, B is on. Off plus on will be on. On plus off will be on. When A is on, B is on, then output will be on. So we write one as when A will have maximum value, B will have maximum value. Sum of them will be maximum, and maximum is represented by 1 only. So we will write here 1. This is the truth table of OR gate. It is the symbol of OR gate. Two inputs A and B and one output Y. This is the symbol of output OR gate. If A and B are inputs, Y is output, then Y should be equal to A plus B. Now how we design OR gate using analog circuit? Suppose we have taken a cell, we have taken two batteries, we have taken two keys, and we have taken a bulb. When both the keys are off, circuit is off. Let key 1 is off, key 2 is off. No current will reach here, bulb will be off. Let key 1 is on. So from the cell, current will move in through this path and reaches here, bulb will be on. Let 1 is off, B is on. Through this path, current will reach, bulb will be on position. Let both are on, current will reach here, break into two parts, reaches here, bulb will blow. This is the analog realization of OR gate. Next is AND gate. It also consists of two inputs and one output. If A and B are inputs and Y is output, then Boolean expression of AND gate is A and B is equal to Y. Read it, A and B is equal to Y. Truth table, again since we have two inputs and both are in digital form, so maximum 4 possibilities can exist. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. When A will be 0, B will be 1, output will be 0. When A will be 1, B will be 0, output will be 0, 0. When A and B both will be 1, then output will be 1. The symbol of AND gate is A and B are inputs, Y is output, which is equal to A and B. How we design it using analytical method? We take two keys, connect them in series, and a bulb is connected here. If any of the keys off, no current will reach here, bulb will not glow. When both the keys will be on, then only bulb will glow. Next is NOT gate. It consists of one input and only one output. If input is A, then output will be its complement, not of A is equal to Y. This is how we read it. Since we have only one output, in digital form, a single input will have two values, either 0 or 1. When input will be 0, its complement will be 1. When input will be 1, complement will be 0. So this is the truth table of NOT gate. How we design it? We take a bulb, we take a key, and here we connect a switch. Till switch is open, current will move from the cell, reaches here, bulb will glow. As soon as we close the key, when key gets closed, this cell will be in short circuit mode, because both the terminals of the cell are connected with connecting lit wire, resistorless wire. So cell will be in short circuit mode, bulb will not glow, because whole of the energy of the cell will convert into heat or light form. This is the NOT gate. Now beside these three gates, we have few more gates which are known as secondary gates. Why they are called secondary gates? Because these gates are designed using these gates. The gates which are designed using primary gates known as secondary gates, they are number 1, NAND, number 2, NOR, number 3, XOR, exclusive OR gate. NAND gate stands for not of AND. Means first we take AND gate. This is AND gate having inputs A and B, output is Y, which will be equal to A and B. Now this output is again entered in the NOT gate, not of AND. Here output will be its NOT. It is the truth table of NAND gate. How we read it? NOT of A and B is equal to Y. So if AND gate and NOT gate are connected with each other, we get a NAND gate. In short form, we write the symbol of NAND gate as, put a circle here. This is NAND gate. Inputs are A and B, output will be NOT of A and B. Truth table, since we have two inputs A and B, there will be 4 combination. Both are on. When A and B both will be off, 0.0 will be 0, complement is 1. 1.00 complement 1. 1.1 complement 0. This is the truth table of NAND gate. Next is NOR gate. As NAND stands for not of AND, similarly NOR stands for not of OR. It also consists of 2 inputs and 1 outputs. Input A and B are entered in OR gate. If these two are input, output will be A or B. If output is entered in the NOT gate, its complement will be the output. How we read it? NOT of A or B is equal to Y. When we combine them, we write the symbol of NAND as inputs are A and B, output is Y, which is A or B. Truth table, again we have 2 inputs A and B. There will be 4 possible combinations, because because all the inputs are in digital form. 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. 0 plus 0 0 complement 1. 1 plus 0 1 complement 0. 0 plus 1 1 complement 0. 1 plus 1 1 complement 0. This is the truth table of NOR gate. Not of OR. NOR stands for not of OR. NAND stands for not of AND. And finally, XOR gate, exclusive OR gate. This gate is designed using all three primary gates: OR, NOT, AND. These three will be used to design exclusive OR gate. It consists of two inputs, A and B, and one output. If A and B are inputs and Y is output, then this is the Boolean expression of exclusive OR gate. A and not of B, or not of A and B is equal to Y. First we discuss the truth table, then we go for how we design it. A0, B0, A1, B0, A0, B1, A1, B1. Both will be 0. So 0 dot 0 into 0 not 1, 1 into 0, 0. Complement of 0, 1, 1 into 0, 0. And 0 plus 0 will be 0. 1 into 1, 1. 0 into 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 into 0, 1. 0 1 1 0 0 0. This is the truth table of NOT gate. How we design it? This is input A, this is input B. First we send input B into NOT gate. We get NOT of B here. We send input A into NOT gate. We get NOT of A here. Now NOT of B and A is having AND gate. So take A from here downward. This symbol indicates that this bar is not touching here. It is A, it is NOT of B. Between them AND sign is present. You will get A and NOT of B. Similarly, NOT of A and B. This is NOT of A. Take B from here. Send into AND gate, you will get A and NOT of B, and between them there is OR gate. A and NOT of B plus is equal to 1. See, all three gates are used. NOT gate is used, AND gate is used, as well as OR gate is used. That is why we are saying that this exclusive OR gate, which is designed using all three basic gates. So dear students, it is all about the gates. I hope you will be able to understand this topic. If you have any confusion, then you ask me. Thank you.